This used to be a department store.
Used to be what?
A department store.
Oh yeah, look at the windows and everything.
Yeah. Is it funny? Okay. Are these ones out of service? Oh, these are different. Oh, these are locked. Very strange. Okay. So there's like two separate sets.
Oh, 8 through 10.
1 through 7. Oh, and that's 8 through 10, yeah. Jesus. I like that old lantern. That's probably GAL, I think. Possible. That might be armor. It's either armor or GAL. Yep. What? There we go.
I think it's just out.
Maybe, but it's also not lit on that one. We're going to speed test these. Going up.
Smash that door close.
I know, right?
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, no second floor. Jeez. Sounds like a district door operator. Let's see here.
Jail.
Nice lantern there. That's cool. Alright. I'm gonna get a cab view real RQ. Nice. The cab is redone. Got this ugly vandal-proof brushed metal.
Yeah, I know, the signature of California garages.
Seriously, everywhere here. B is locked down to 1.
Should we go down to B?
It's locked.
Let me try it.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the same people.
I wonder if the other one's broken.
Probably. Go. Go, mama. Go.
First floor?
Yep.
Thank you. Mm-hmm. It's very deep sound. Hear that?
¿Por qué?
What is this? Oh my god, let's go up, back up and down. Yeah, I'll end the video on the 6.
Go! Listen. Shelly, you gotta go back down and get a minute ticket. I'm not about to come back up now.
Jeez, these are busy. That other one's definitely broken. Oh my god. What the fuck?
Tired of waiting, I guess.
Let's see. This is
Can I see you step back just a tad? So I get a full width shot here.
Okay, these are definitely gearless. All right, we'll end the video here. And that's it.